Coach, ano po ba ang difference ng water wash sa egg wash using yolk?
Okay, so both ginagamit natin tong wash na to bago natin ilagay sa oven ang mga breads. Basically, yung mga wash, whether water or egg, actually, it will help create a firmer dough, okay, and retain moisture para hindi siya madaling mag-crack, hindi rin siya madaling mag-flat. So, it will create a firmer and crispier dough. Pero ang main difference lang naman talaga is for the egg yolk or egg wash, ay mas magiging shiny yung iyong bread, no? So, pag sa egg yolk, mas shiny, mas yellowish. So, depende talaga sa gusto nating ma-achieve na texture. Sa water naman is just to retain its shape at hindi madaling mag-crack, just like this coffee cheese buns kasi may topping pa to at ibibake pa to ulit mamaya. Alright? So, you can choose anong wash depende sa output na gusto mo.
Okay, thank you, Coach.